Hi, it's Dr. Chersa here. So sometimes patients ask, what is a sinus lift? So sinus lift is a procedure that sometimes we do in conjunction with an implant surgery where we don't have enough bone to completely cover our implant that is being placed in the jaw. So for example, here we have a patient who lost his first upper molar, which you can actually see the outline. And if you look at the top of the X-ray, you can see the white line, which is the floor of the sinus. So we went ahead and placed our implant, and as you can see, the tip of that implant is sitting above that white line, which is the sinus floor. In this procedure, what we did was we lifted the sinus floor up with special instruments during the time of implant placement. And the sinus floor is where the solid red line is, and the lift, as shown by the arrows, is where we lifted it up to. Because when we do this procedure, if we have a big sinus lift, we go ahead and add some bone. And as you can see here, it's shown in yellow and it's sitting completely on top of that implant. So this procedure we call a sinus lift and bone graft at the same time. So here's the X-ray of the patient about 3 months later. As you can see, the whole implant is covered by bone and is sitting completely inside the jawbone. At that appointment, we also made him his crown, where you can see it sitting on top of that implant. Thanks for watching.